Hey guys, let's talk about the TP-Link Tapo pan tilt camera. This is the Tapo C615F, and here's a demo on my cell phone. Basically, here I have the image of the camera, and then I can control using the pan and tilt, right? So here basically you see that I can just move the camera around by just pressing here. Okay, so left to right, and then up and down. Super simple to control like this. And I can even use presets. You see that I have here the presets. They call here viewpoint, but it's the same, right? So I just tap on it and the camera is going to move to this viewpoint. And I tap to viewpoint number 2 and it moves there. And I keep doing this, right? It's super simple to create. You just need to position the camera here, whatever you want. And then you create a viewpoint. Let me just delete one here. See if I just hold, I can delete one. There we go. And then I can move the camera to a different position, for example, and then I can create a new viewpoint. So super simple. Let's say I want to create a viewpoint just right here. I just press and give it a name and save it. All right. Then I come here to the viewpoint number 2, viewpoint number 1. And then when I want to come back to viewpoint number 4, I just press here. Very simple, and you can also use the patrol. So come here and you can do the vertical patrol. So the camera is going to look up and down. And then you can also work with the horizontal patrol. So let me just stop this one, vertical, and then use the horizontal. You see the camera is patrolling, and you can just enable and disable from here. Okay. You can also control here the speed. You see how set how many steps, how many degrees the camera will move per tap, okay, on the pan and tilt. So super simple. You can just control from here. And then you come back here to the main screen. You see that the button for the pan and tilt is just right here. Very, very simple. Basically, that's the way you can control your pan and tilt camera. This is the Tapo C615. You can use that way if you want to. And it's very, very interesting and very simple to use the controls, right? I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe, and I see you in the next one.